you're always ready. So we don't need to ask you. Hi, so at Pantaloon Saima 2019 in Doha, we have with us one of the most versatile, one of the most wonderful actresses in South Indian cinema. I must say, Anushya Garu, you're looking wonderful, and always you manage to come up with such unconventional looks for Saima carpet. So is it like something you put a lot of thought into? How long does it take for you to finalize these looks?
Consciously, I do make efforts, but then a lot of time, I don't think so because I don't have the kind of time working on television and cinema together. Touch it. So, yes, something which I consciously do and I enjoy doing it myself along with my stylist, of course.
That's wonderful, all of you. The whole team is doing such a fantastic job. But I must say, what a year it has been, right? I think with Rangasthalam, it just opened up a whole new avenue for you and people started looking at you from a very different perspective. So how are you enjoying the success of the film and today being nominated, how does that feel?
It feels great to be a part of Saima always. Nominations, I always keep telling nominations are kind of winning for me. If I win, it's an icing on the cake. So it feels great what Rangasthalam has given me a larger scope. It has changed the way industry has looked at me and is looking at me again. So I'm getting a lot of substantial characters to get narrated to, and I got a lot of confidence to say yes and no to a lot of characters, so that it feels good.
That's lovely. And you look so wonderful. How is it that years go by and I see you on the carpet and you look exactly the same? Even younger, I must say. Is there like a fitness secret?
Last time we met, I was quite chubby.
Exactly. You beat yourself every year. How is that?
I just love to be fit myself, and it's just that sometimes due to my heavy work schedules, I won't be able to sleep well or eat well. And due to all the gymnastics I do on sets, I keep falling and breaking my ankles and legs sometimes, then I won't be able to. But it's just a process and phases in life, I guess. So I just enjoy every phase though.
That's wonderful. We hope you have many more wonderful characters coming in your way. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Congratulations and celebrations. We knew this was going to happen when she walked the carpet. I think like it went without saying that you totally, absolutely deserve this. How does it feel to be holding the Saima?
So cute. Thank you so much. So cute to you. And it feels good because my journey of awards started with Saima. And I was so nervous today on stage because I had to address Chiru sir, who's like everybody's favorite and inspiration, that I just like blew my mind out when I was talking with him, about him, his encouragement about Rangamata before the release. So yes, here I am thanking Saima because you remember, but I will forever remember because my first award started with Saima, supporting role, a couple of years back for Kshanam. My debut award. So it feels great. I wish I get this beauty holding a star, fills my room of what do you call memorandums all through. Thank you, Saima, once again.
Thank you so much. And we hope you win many more of these as well. Thank you.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.